Wuxi Meishan Environmental Protection Equipment Company, Limited has developed the third-generation inner flow grill, a highly efficient wastewater pretreatment equipment. It is composed of stainless steel machine shell, filter grill mesh panel, spray system, drive system, and drain system. The inner flow grill has an incredibly high capture rate, is suitable for removing a wider range of solids and is easily retrofitted into existing channels, installed at a 90 degrees inclination. Sewage flows into the inlet in the channel. The mesh plate and filter screen trap the impurities in the sewage and transport it from bottom to top. The spraying system rinses the screen plate and screen, and the rinsing water and impurities flow into the sewage pipe, and finally out through the sewage outlet. The whole process is done inside the machine and is clean and odorless. The inner flow grill screen is made of drilled polyethylene and has a smooth, burr-free surface that does not clog with hairy fibers. The drive chain is fully fixed inside the machine and will not come off the track, ensuring smooth operation.